standing around. I'm glad there's like a tall girl right in front.
You are now listening to 103.5 FM. You've been in the dark for way too long. It's time to walk into the light.
Oh! These are paparazzi. That's the scariest part, is the paparazzi. Oh! Oh, geez. Oh, hey, it's the Weeknd right there. There's money. There's money everywhere. This is the most expensive room. I know. Oh, that was the Weeknd himself. Mr. Weeknd, can I get an autograph? Oh, I always think this is somebody.
That would be funny if it wasn't.
Look at it. It's demonic. It's very demonic. Oh, that got me. That one got me. That one got me. I was paying attention to the thing.
It's time to walk into the light. Accept your fate with open arms.
Oh, it's hands. Just hands everywhere. Oh, dude, what is this? I don't even know if that real or not. Oh, they're going in an elevator, it looks like. In a red room. Oh, jeez. This is crazy. What's going on in here? Oh, it's a baby Weeknd. Oh! Did they spray? Oh, shoot. I'm scared to get my equipment wet. Oh my God! Dang. Sometimes I get scared by the ushers. Oh look, it's Medusa. Medusa. Oh, oh. What the heck is that? What is that? Oh shoot. There's eyeballs everywhere. I feel like someone's watching me. Oh no, one of them, no, it's real. I was gonna say one of them's real. I know one of them's real. Or more than one is real. Every time I look up, they come after me. But that was a guy that got me.
Scared? Don't worry. We'll be there to hold your hand and guide you through this painless transition.
Got the red face. These lasers are gonna ruin my camera. Oh, Tron. We got Tron. Nice. It's a dance party. Oh, I thought it was a dance party, but this is it. This is just how his listening party goes. Is this like one of Diddy's freakouts? Oh! at that. Whoa. Oh! Oh! Oh, man. Look at this. Oh! What's going on? Oh, intestines. No, I just wanted to check this. Oh, it's a baby. It's a baby. Oh. It smells in here. Oh, it's a mirror room. Oh. Oh! It's the moonlight. Oh, it's a moonlight. Oh! He's getting scared. I keep getting scared. Oh, what's going on? I got scared like 10 times already. This is a good one. Oh, where am I? What's going on over here? Oh, this is scary. Oh, what is this? What is even this? What the heck? I don't know. I don't like that one. Oh, damn. That was good.
What's that?
I got really scared on that one. I thought this was going to be lame because it's the weekend, but I got really scared on that one many times, like 10 times.